To the markets, the all share is back above 70,000 on the JSE. It's a good showing from the miners this afternoon. The likes of Anglo Gold and Northam above 6%. Wayne Mccurrie from FNB Wealth and Investment joins me this afternoon. Wayne, thanks for your time. I mean, I was just saying we're back above 70,000. A lot of investors losing quite a bit when the JSE took a tumble here and there, very volatile over the past few months. But anything significant about the fact that we're above 70,000 now?
Well, look, Murugan, unfortunately, we are of the opinion that this is a bear market rally, that the weakness in the market, there's a bit of a respite happening now. But unfortunately, we think over the next couple of months to come, the market will go back down again. Not massively so. Maybe it'll go through the previous low we saw, a couple of weeks ago. But this is more of a relief rally than an actual change in direction of market, in our opinion.
Yeah, just some interesting company news, Wayne. Impact, this is the guys that package and plastic our stuff. I mean, a good showing of results from them, some profits there, but they are warning that, look, things are tight. They may have to speak to clients and pass on those price pressures. What do you make of their results?
Well, look, everyone's suffering price pressures now. I mean, across the board, virtually every company that talks says their margins are under pressure because they can't pass on their cost increases to their clients. On Impact, their container board and their corrugated board did extremely well, but the other areas weren't so good. So all of their food packaging, their fast-moving consumer goods packaging wasn't that good, but they were still optimistic. I mean, earnings were up, I think, 28%, which is quite good for the company. And it certainly indicates that the economy, is there. It's still using their products, even though as I mentioned, it's only the two of their main product groups that are being used now. But it was a good set of results.
Yeah, and I think it's interesting to look at a company like this because you kind of get a sense where the economy is going. Wayne, OneLogix, I mean, this is a logistics company. Again, another interesting company to look at because it tells you where the economy is moving and if there are blockages. Now, this company flagging profits, they're flagging their results to be somewhat on the downside. And they say, look, the thing is we've had blockages on the road in KZN on the N3. So, peculiar to our country, they're not too optimistic about how things are going. What did you make of it?
No, look, their results are quite disappointing for all the reasons that you said. They are really battling with the road infrastructure, the riots, stoppages, blockages, fuel cost increases, lawlessness on the road. But just when you think that Transnet has collapsed essentially, that everything goes by road now, you look at that Joburg-Durban highway, especially around Town Hill in Maritzburg, the trucks queue up for kilometers to go down the hill there. So it's really tough in the logistics business. There's plenty of work, obviously, without Transnet functioning, but costs are there. And of course, the roads themselves, it's a dangerous place to be if you're a truck driver. You're literally taking your life into your hands. So they gave a very good story about all of the difficulties that they are facing in their logistics business and specifically the truck transport business.
Yeah, well, we're going to have to leave it there. Thanks very much indeed. Wayne Mccurrie from FNB Wealth and Investments. All right, as we said, good showing on the JSE today, over 1% in the green. The miners are bringing the market up as well. Let's take a closer look to see what's